بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. Okay, Unit 6. The title of this unit is Natural Resources in Jordan. As we see here, we have some words in the yellow box, such as abundant, biofuels, derived, hydro, primary, self-taught, tidal, worldwide. And you have a text here, and the title of the text is Mastermind. Mastermind. I will read the text, then discuss it. Mastermind. Quizmaster. Today on the show, we have Jamal Sabbah, who is a self-taught expert on the history and the future of Earth resources. Jamal, you are going to answer as many questions as you can about Earth resources. Jamal, okay. Quizmaster, start the clock. What are the 7 types of renewable energy? Jamal, they are solar, wind, hydro, biomass, wave, tidal, and geothermal. Quizmaster, correct. Why is solar energy called primary renewable energy? Jamal, it is the origin of many other sources of energy. It's also the most abundant renewable energy resource. Quizmaster, is wood a renewable energy source? Jamal, it is in Europe. However, if growing it, cutting it, drying it, and transporting it uses more energy than it actually provides when it's burnt, we can't say that it is renewable. Quizmaster, what is the difference between renewable and fossil fuels? Jamal, time. Fossil fuels were created longer ago, but both fuels are derived from living matter. Quizmaster, what are the 2 main kinds of solar technology? Jamal, solar water heating, which delivers hot water through pipes, and solar PV, or photovoltaics, which delivers electricity through cables. Quizmaster, which country is the largest producer of nuclear power? Jamal, I think that it's the USA. I read somewhere that they produce 30% of all the nuclear generated electricity in the world. Quizmaster, finally, what energy source, according to two experts, will be the most common in the future? Jamal, that's a difficult question. Experts say it will be nuclear power, but they also say that we have to develop the way it is produced because otherwise it will be very dangerous. Quizmaster, well, thank you, Jamal. I can tell you that you got every single question right. Well done. So I will discuss the text now. Quizmaster, today on the show we have Jamal Sabbah, who is a self-taught expert on the history and the future of Earth resources. Okay, we here, as a subject pronoun, we refer to the interviewers who met Jamal Sabbah. We have Jamal Sabbah, who is a relative pronoun, refer to Jamal Sabbah, who is a self-taught. Self-taught, this means someone who taught himself by himself without assistance. Expert on the history and the future of Earth resources. Earth resources here, S, is it apostrophe S? Okay. Jamal, you are going to answer as many questions as you can about Earth resources. You here refer as a subject pronoun, refer to Jamal. Jamal, okay. Quizmaster, start the clock. When Quizmaster asks start the clock, this means you can say that the interview is a competition. The question number one is, what are the 7 types of renewable energy? Types here, this means kind or sorts. Kinds or sorts. What are the 7 types of renewable energy? Jamal answer. They are solar, wind, hydro, biomass, wave, tidal, and geothermal. The subject pronoun refer to the 7 types of renewable. And Jamal answer the questions by mentioning these 7 types. Solar number 1, wind number 2, hydro number 3, biomass 4, wave number 5, tidal number 6, and last one is geothermal, last one of the 7 types of renewable energy. Quizmasters correct. And here Quizmaster answer correct. The question number 2 is, why is solar energy called primary renewable energy? This is the question. Name here is called. Called this mean name. Called here this mean name. Jamal, it is the origin of many other sources of energy. It's also the most abundant renewable energy resource. It here refers to solar energy. It here refers to solar energy as a subject pronoun. It is the origin of many other sources of energy. It's also the most abundant. What's the meaning of abundant here? Abundant this means more enough, more enough, more than enough. Okay, Quizmaster, is wood a renewable energy sources? Here you have a yes/no question because it's begin with is wood, and here we can say that it is a yes/no question. Is wood a renewable energy? This is a question. Jamal will ask it. Jamal, it is in Europe. Yes, you can call that it is renewable energy in Europe. However, this gives me a function. The function of using however is opposition. Opposition. Okay, it's growing. If growing it, it here refer to wood. If growing it, cutting it, wood, drying it, wood, and transporting it, wood, uses more energy than it actually provides when it is burnt. It here refer to wood. Burnt, we cannot say that it is renewable. Okay, Quizmaster, what is the difference between renewable and fossil fuels? The question is, what is the difference between renewable and fossil fuels? Jamal will answer the time. Yes, time. Fossil fuels were created longer ago. Created longer ago. Okay, but both fuels are derived from living matter. Quizmaster, what are the 2 main kinds of solar energy? Main here, major. Kinds, this mean types or sorts. Jamal, solar water heating, this is number 1, which here is a relative pronoun refer to solar water heating, delivers hot water through pipes, and solar PV. Number 2 is solar PV. This means that the solar energy, the 2 kinds of solar energy, number 1 is solar water heating, and the number 2 is solar PV or photovoltaics, which here refer to PV, delivers electricity through cables. Quizmaster, which country is the largest producer of nuclear power? Okay, Jamal will answer it. I think that it is the USA. This means USA is the largest country that is produced nuclear power. I read somewhere. I refer to Mr. Jamal. Jamal, I read somewhere that they produce. They refer to USA. Refer to USA. Produce 30% of all the nuclear generated electricity in the world. Quizmaster, finally, now Quizmaster will ask the last questions to Jamal. What energy source, according to the experts, will be the most common in the future? Jamal, That's a difficult question. Why? Because the experts say it will be nuclear power, but they also say that we have to develop the way it is produced because otherwise it will be very dangerous. Okay, experts say it. It here refer to the most common, the energy sources. Energy sources. Okay, energy sources. It's about the nuclear power. Nuclear power. Okay, say it will be nuclear power, but they also say they here refer to experts. They refer to the experts here. This also say that we have to, this mean must, develop the way it refers to nuclear power. It produced, okay? Because otherwise its nuclear power will be very dangerous, very dangerous. Okay, Quizmaster, well, thank you, Jamal. I can tell you here I refer to Quizmaster. Tell you you here refer to Jamal that you got every single question right. Well done. Okay, I hope that you have understood the text and see you later. Thank you.